Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are looking one more topic is flow designer. So in which we are looking one scenario based question. Basically question is like we have to create one catalog and we have to just automate the process like for the approval one. So I will tell you this, I will show the scenario based question. The question is yeah, first what are the things that we are looking in this video. First is like creating a catalog item and that and we are creating one flow designer. That flow designer we have to attach in the catalog item and we just get the variables whatever you created the variables on the catalog item, so we have to take that variable on the flow designer, and after that we have to generate approval based on the variables, and also we have set the stages on the flow designer, right? And after that everything like approval is approved and everything sorted, then we have to create one catalog task. Okay, these are the things that we have looked into this series, this video. And like for how can we create? First, we have to create the catalog item, and we have give the catalog name is like request new laptop, and we give the variables. Laptop type is like standard and high performance. Second, we just want give the text field for justification, and we just add the cost center. Okay, and here you can see we have give the second thing, we can just put the attach the flow designer and get the variables like laptop, cost center, and justification. And third is like here you can see we generate the approval based on that one. Like suppose first scenario is like if the laptop type is high performance, then approval goes to the manager and the IT team. Else it gives only manager only, right? And then after approval is based on the approval is approved and reject, then we have to set the stages. After setting the stages, and we have to just generate the catalog task. Okay, so let's open my PDI and I will show you the things. So I have opened my PDI, so I will open catalog item. So I have just opened the catalog and we just click on here, you can write most top here, you can just click on the new button, click on new, and you just write the name of the catalog. Just take time. So here you can see the new catalog is open, so we have write the name request new laptop is the catalog name, and we just give the catalog is like cate service catalog, and just lock it, and we just write the category services, and after clicking on save, you just click on save. So we have just create the one catalog item, and after creating the catalog item we need to add we need to create a variable, right? So just click on new. First variable is like catalog type, right? So we just click on give the type here. Here you can see type is like single line text, so we have to just give the choice, click on multiple choice, and give the order like first is 101, and we just give the laptop type name of that, and we just name, and just here you can see, okay, we just cross the across one, and click on save first, click on save. After saving that one we have to just add the choice list. Now here you can see we have to add the choice list, so we just take the copy the value from the, we just give the name a high performance and the standard one, we click on save, and after saving that one we just create one more variable, click on save. And so another one is like cost, we just remove that name, and in place of that one you write the cost, laptop cost, you just mention laptop cost, and same, give the order as 200, and after that one just click on save, like insert and stay, and we have to just give the choice of that one. So here just go down. Now here you can see we have a question choice, so we have to mention that suppose first choice is like $50, value should be $50, and second choice we have gave $100, After giving the choices, click on save, and we just take it as a choice direction is across, and we don't need to select anything as of now. So we just click on do not select the first choice, click on save. After saving that one, we just open the one more field, like we have to mention a single line test, and we just give the order is like 300, and question question is justification. Question is justification. We write justification and click on save, insert and stay. And now you have to open the catalog that we have created. Click on catalog item name. Here you can see. Just click on eye icon, preview one, and just open it. Click on open. Then here you can see we have opened that one. Now here you can see we have created three variables. First is laptop type, laptop cost, and justification, right? So I will open laptop type because I have missed one thing, like we have checked the first field, right? So we have just clicked do not check the select the first field when the form is loaded. So click on save. After saving that one, we have to just we have to add one flow for that one, right? To automate the process. Now here you can see under a process engine, you can come here, and now here you can see we default is execution is default one. So you have to remove that one, and now here you can see the flow is this section is there. So we have to create a flow for that one, and we have to attach here. So for that one, what we have to do, we have to just open a flow designer, just write the flow in the navigation section, click on new, just like here, or it will open. And now here you can see we have a section like flow is there, subflow is there, trigger is there, action starts there, right? So as of now we are creating a new flow, so click on new and selecting the flow. Now here you can see we are creating a one flow, and we have to name that laptop request flow, and that same flow we have attached in the our catalog item, right? Just click on advanced additional properties and click on rule run as a, like we have a user who has initiated the section, or like system user. So click on system user and start build the flow, right? Now here you can see we have to create a flow, but as of now you can see this is the inactive one, right? So we have to just now here you can see we have to just add the trigger condition. Like trigger condition is like when the this flow is start execution, which condition, right? So as of now you can see we have three condition: record, schedule, and application. In our case we have to trigger this flow with the from the catalog, right? So under the application you have to see service catalog, so click on service catalog. Now after clicking on that one, we just click on done, and now here you can see after clicking that one we have to get the catalog variables, like second get, click on ServiceNow course, and now you can see you have a get catalog variables, so click on that one. Now here you can select the submitted request, so we have to click on the data picker, and click on the trigger service catalog and request. And now here you can see we have to select the catalog name that we have created just now, like laptop one. Request, yeah, request new laptop, right? That we have created, and we just select all field variables, and we have just moved to the right and click on save. After saving that this one, like we have to just we have to go to the PPT that we have created. So as of now what we have done, we have just created a catalog item, and we have attached the flow and get the catalog variables. Now these three steps we have done. So here you can see we have created the catalog, and catalog name is request new laptop, and we have added the three variables: laptop type and justification and cost, right? And after that we have to just attach that flow, and we have to get the variables this is the third step. And after that all three variables are stored in that variables, and after that we have to just generate the approvals, right? So now come to the flow. We have to approval set when the laptop is high performance, right? Now here we can see we just give if, oh sorry, this is the action one, this is the flow condition. So in this we have take the if that catalog type should be high performance. In that case we have asked for approval, so we have just give the ask for approval. Okay, click on that one, ask for approval, and we just tag that record. So which record, trigger that one, and we just here we can see the rule is there, approval, and we just provide this like anyone approve from. We just click on the anyone, and here you can see we have to write the name of that approval that we have to take. First we have to take the manager of the current requester one. So click on the trigger and click on the request item, and we have to write the requested for, and we have to write a requested for manager, right? So we just click on the reference and we just write a manager. So you have to select that one approval is there, this one, and second we have to just add one more approval, right? So just click approve anyone, and give the IT role, right? Sorry, IT group. So just give IT. Now as of now we have IT finance, IT security, IT. So which for this testing purpose we take the IT security, click on that one, and we just add it. Now if we have just set the approvals, and after that we have to check if the approval is approved, then what action we have to take, and if approval is reject, in that case what are the actions we have to take, right? First, if approval is approved, right? So we have to take ask for approval, status is approved. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to just create a catalog task, get catalog, create catalog task. Okay, and we have just take that one in trigger and request item. Now we have to mention here, so we have to write task created for new laptop. Okay, and we just set the field. Suppose we have to just set assignment group is IT security team. Okay, and just take the catalog that we have created, click on new, request new laptop, and we just take the all variables that we created, so that will populate over the form. Just click on done. After that, click on the, this thing, like click on done, then we have to update that record. So click on update one, update record. So here you can see we have our update record. Click on update record, and now here you can see we just take the from the data picker, we can select the record, and we just add the field. Just like we have to make the state should be close complete. And one more thing, we have to just make the work notes. We have added the work notes, and work note should be like mm, we can make approval is approved, and we can close. Okay, we can just mention the comment approval is approved the request and click on done, and after that we can just close that flow. Click on flow logic and we just make it as close. Here you can see end flow right here. So this thing as of now is done. Like if the this one like perform laptop type should be high performance, right? In that case, suppose this is not a high performance, this is a standard one. So in that case we have just go there and we just ask for like this if condition. So again we have to write ask for approval. Now this is the thing, then we have to just take the record. After taking the record, we just make it as approval, and we just give write anyone. In that case we have to write only for the manager one. So we just click on the trigger service catalog, and requested for, and requested, and click on that reference icon, and you can write the manager name. So just take the manager and click on done. Now suppose after approval, ask for approval. If approval is approved, so in that case we have to write the flow. If the line number 8 is approved, like status should be approved, mhm, approve, then we have to create one more task. Suppose we have to create catalog task, so we write create catalog task, and we can mention the things here. New laptop is standard one. So we have to mention the standard one, and just take the catalog item, request new laptop, and we just take the all variables from the right side, so that we can populate on the over the form. And now we have just click on the task that we've created. So we have to just mention that new laptop is task is created for the high performance, right? Here you can see, so that we can identify like which task is created for which what the approvals gone, right? So click on done, and like click on what the things are left. Like we have to select the record first, trigger record, RTM. Then we have to just click on, now here also we have to set the things. Assignment group should be IT. Okay, and click on done. If approver is approved, then assignment should be like this one, and we have to just click on update track it, update record. In that case, we have to take the record from the current trigger service catalog and requested item. After that, we have just set the condition. Here you can see state should be close complete, and okay. And after that, now here you can see if the condition is approved, then it will this flow is executed, right? In that case, the approval is rejected that case. So what we have to do, we have just write update record, and we just take the record, and we just make this condition is state is incomplete, close incomplete, and we make the work note like approval is rejected that request, right? So make approval is rejected the request. That's it. Copy and done. Click on done. Okay. And after that, we just make the flow is end. So flow logic, and you just go down end flow. Same thing here. Like if condition is approved, then we have to trigger these things. And after the suppose approval is rejected that one. So in that case, we have to also add one update here. Update record here. Click on update record. Just click on data picker. Click on triggered, and we have to select the request item, and we just make the state to be closed. State is closed incomplete, and work note, we make the work note, and we just put the condition and click on done. Now flow is completed, but we have to just make it as, now we have to set the stages. So just give me 1 minute. Now here you can see we just click on activate that flow. Okay, now we have to set the conditions, like just here you can see, and you just click on the pressed tab to toggle view here. Now you want to set the condition like stages, so click on the here you can see right corner, you just click on show stages flow stages. Click on that one and we just select the request. Here you can see we have request item. We can take that one and we have added, and we just click on save. If you want to create that one, you can create. Otherwise, we have already predefined template, so we can use that one. Click on save. Now after saving that one, just go to the flow. Now here you can see after triggering that one, we have just add the condition like waiting for approval. Stage should be waiting for approval. Okay, and like after everything is gone, then we have to make the approval should be approved, like request should be approved. So we just like make it as request approved, and we make the condition stage should be complete, right? Make it complete. Now this is for if condition. Now go for the second one. Suppose it will came for this one, so we just make the request is rejected, so we can say request cancelled. Okay, and now here you can be same the thing, we have to just write waiting for approval. Click on waiting for approval. Now after that, if approval is approved, then we go this side under this between line 11 12. So click on request approved, and after that we just make the complete the task. So we just close, make it complete. Suppose this request is rejected, so in that case we just make it stage should be request cancel, right? Please close that one. Now after this one, we have just activate that flow. Click on activate, and we just copy the name of that flow so that we can attach in the catalog item. Copy that flow. So I will open the catalog item. Here you can see this is a catalog item that we have created just now. So just paste the name that you copy. So after paste the name and just click on save. After saving that catalog, so you have to try. We have to request one laptop. So click on try it portal. So click on try it. Now here you can see this is the catalog that we have created. First we have to create high performance. Click on that one. Suppose you take the laptop cost is $100. Click on testing, right? Just now click on order. We just open the request. Now here you can see this is a request. Click on request number. So here you can see now stage is waiting for approval. So I will show you the flow. First open the under the related link, you can see the flow context. So you must click on that one. This flow is directly open. Now here you can see this flow is open. It take time to load. Okay, we make the properties. Just give me a 1 minute. We just make the flow property, flow report setting, and we just give full access and click on update, confirm. After confirming that one, you have to just click on again. After clicking on execution, you can see here. So as of now, you can see we just wait for approval, and now you just click on the request. Here you can see we just refresh the request. Now we have a two approval, right, for that one. So we just open that one, IT security. In that one you have two approval. That's why it's showing here two approvals. But in our case, we have to just add one manager, right? Here you can see click on the approval. Now here you can see the one is that manager is empty one, and this is a group members that we have ID, right? So what we have to do, we have just add the member of that one. That's why it's populated here only two approval. Suppose we have just click and approve first one. So I will show you the one thing, then I will add the approval for the user. Then we have to open, just click on request, and we just open the request. Just click on, we are just, you have to just refresh this flow, and just like click on that one. We just open the new tab. Now here you can see it says the a request approved and one task is generated. Now here you can see, click on that one. After clicking on that one, you can see we just the task is generated and we have just make it close complete, close task. And now here you can see the state should be close complete and approval node should be this one, right? So we have a we don't have any approval like manager for that user, so we just make it as like here you can see in the manager field is empty, right? So we just open the user table and we just map the click on new and we just write the admin and we just make the manager is able tutor. For that, click on that one and we have just mapped the able tutor and we just over request a new request. Okay, now click on this, click on open and we just close that request. Again we have to raise a one request, high performance and laptop cost should be 100 and we keep testing too and just click on order and request open. Request has submitted. Here as of now you can see, click on the request item that we created and now here you can see stage is waiting for approval and we have a three approval now. One is like manager and these are the two approval from the group, that is IT security, right? If you click on the approval like approve, click on approve. Now I will show you the flow for that one. Like previously we have seen that flow values should be like empty, so I will open that one and I will show you the now we get the sys ID of that manager. Now here you can see ask for approval. Now here you can see this is sys ID of that manager and this is sys ID of that group that we have mapped, right? So we have approved both and that and the task is generated, right? As of now we have approved only manager is approved that request, right? So now here you can see we have to wait for the IT support group that they are approved. If they reject, then the condition is automatically reject and the task will be closed, right? So as of now I will make it approve, click on approve and then task should be generated, right? Click on, now you can see here task will generated and we just map the assignment group should be IT1 and we just close that one. Click on close task. After closing the task, here you can see the stage should be completed and task stage stage should be closed complete, right? So now as of now you can see the reference the flow. Just click. Now wait, we have to refresh. Now here you can see the catalog laptop type should be high performance and we have just asked for approval. Approval is approved and we have checked the condition is approval approved or reject. So approval is approved. Based on that task is created and after task is created and we have to update the record, right? And based on that you can see stages are mapped. This is the flow. This is the automation automate you can approve the new users. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.